Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the H4n and preparing the essentials. Insert two AA batteries or plug a stable 5V DC source. This prevents mid-session shutoffs. Make sure an SD card is seated and formatted so the recorder recognizes file structure. Attach the correct mic capsule or plug in external mics. Once done, switch the main dial to record mode and choose stereo or MS input. This sets the signal path. Doing these first avoids configuration conflicts later. Next, you focus on signal quality. Choose the mic or line input, and if using condensers, enable 48V phantom power. Without it, those mics will be silent. Use the gain controls while watching the level meters and aim for peaks near -12 to -6 dB to preserve headroom. If you encounter wind or low-frequency noise, enable the low-cut filter. If sudden spikes occur, engage the limiter. Make adjustments slowly and listen with headphones to confirm clarity. Finally, you record and verify the take. Press record once to enter standby, then press again to capture audio. Monitor through headphones so you hear issues immediately. After recording, stop and play back using the transport buttons. Inspect levels and confirm files appear on the SD card. If playback is silent or distorted, make sure the correct input is selected. Cables are fully seated. Phantom power is on for condensers, and the SD card is not locked. Re-record after fixes to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.